Hi, good morning, children. Our last chapter is over. We can start our new chapter, chapter 5, Chotu's house. We all have a house for living. Without house or without home, we can't live. Many poor people live under the bridges, railway station or inside the pipes. These are their homes, but they are called homeless people. Homeless people. Here, Chotu is an orphan. He don't have father or mother or anyone. So he is an orphan who lives in a pipe. The pipe gives him shelter from sun, from rain and from strong wind and cold. We can see Chotu's story. You want to listen carefully, then only you can answer for the questions given in the textbook. Let us move to Chotu's story. Children, here are some images and let's see what it says. Chotu came to Mumbai for the first time. So, we can understand the main character we are talking about, Chotu. And he has to come to Mumbai for the first time. Children, do you know where is Mumbai? Let's have a look of Mumbai in the map of India. Now you can see two maps here. The first one is Maharashtra and see its capital Mumbai. Here is Mumbai. Can you see? Yes, this is Maharashtra and this is Mumbai, capital of Maharashtra. In the second picture, you can see our Kerala. And where is Kerala in India's map? Yes, here is Kerala. We can see four different images in page number 30 and we can see what all images showing. In the first image, you can see a busy road and maybe over here a boy Chotu. He is confusingly looking at the road. Then in the second picture we can see it's raining as well and there are two more children along with Chotu. In the third picture, the Chotu is having rest inside a pipe. And in the fourth picture, Chotu, you can see Chotu is preparing something to eat. And we can also see that Chotu lives in a small area over here inside the pipe. In the fifth picture, we can see again the road and a new boy is here. In the sixth picture, Chotu is talking to his new friend, that is Monu. Now, we want to do this activity. Study the pictures carefully and answer the following. So, first question is, what did Chotu think when he looked at the pipe? He thought it is the safest place. It could save him from sun, wind, rain and cold. And second question, how did Chotu use the pipe? And in the first question you want to write, he thought it is the safest place to live. In the second question, how did Chotu use the pipe? Chotu used the pipe to sleep inside. Third question, into which parts did Chotu divide the pipe and its surrounding area? So the answer is a part used to sleep, a part for cooking food, a part for drying clothes, a part for storing water. So Chotu divided the pipe into sleeping area, cooking area, a part for drying clothes, a part for drinking water, and a part for where guests can sit. Fourth question, in which part of this house will Chotu like to spend most of this time? In the living area means his guest area where he was talking with Monu. The last question, why do you think Chotu invited Monu to live with him in the pipe? Since Monu had no place to live and Chotu saw him helpless and decided to help him as well as he needed a friend too. These are the questions and answers. These answers you can write into your EVS notebook. While writing names of Chotu and Monu, first letter should be capital. In these answers, it is written small letters, but you should take care. You want to make it as capital. First letter should be capital. Okay, children, write answers and send to me.